So how can we optimally support the immune system development in early life? And I think there's really need for age and diet adapted symbiotic approaches. And I will talk about some of the approaches we're taking currently with our teams to get there. But before doing that, I still owe you a definition of symbiotics, and I'm referring here to the ISAP consensus statement on the definition of symbiotics. So particularly, there are two types of symbiotics. We have complementary symbiotics, which combine a prebiotic and a probiotic that work independently to elicit one or more health benefits. And on the other side, we have the synergistic symbiotics, which combine a substrate that's utilized by the co-administered live microorganism, enhancing its functionality. So synergistic symbiotics, they work together to provide a health benefit. So we talked about our early friends in life, and it's important to starting to leverage our knowledge. And I'm coming back to this to really understand who's out there. And we have to focus on clinical studies to really understand these trajectories of these bacteria. And Martin talked about it. So this is really important to get a better understanding how we then can intervene here. So very important also is we need to understand what they do or what they can do. And I think here we can rely on clinical data, but also preclinical data to see what happens if we supplement with these strains. Is there any benefit which is related to supplementation? Vice versa also, if we lose some of these, is there any association with increased risk of developing immune-mediated disorders? And I mean, we talked about this already, but it's really important to understand their needs, to make these bifidobacteria happy so we can maximize the desired health benefits.